Hello everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I'm Nancy presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. RTI is not applicable to collegium conciliation discussion. Gujarat showcased the 51% politics of BJP. Massive 7,000 square meter fire in Moscow suburb, arson suspected. Qatar World Cup chief says death is a part of life after reported worker death. Now news in detail. After being appointed BJP president for the second time on January 24, 2016, party will have to deceive a strategy of 51% politics to defeat electoral forces. The now Union Home Minister said 6 years ago that the central point of politics had shifted from Congress to BJP and it will be BJP versus all or Narendra Modi versus all in future akin to Congress versus all or Indira Gandhi versus all of the past, as advertisers will join hands for the political survival. The apple growing region of Himachal Pradesh are known for producing some formidable leader for both Congress and BJP. Backed the Congress in 2022 assembly election, enabling the party victory, compromising around 17 assembly segment in the Kinnaur, Kullu, Manali and Shimla. This belt has traditionally played a significant role in the drawing the political counters of Himachal Pradesh. The apple state contributes around 13.5% of the state gross domestic product of around 6,000 crore rupee. Russian firefighter on Friday battled a fire of 7,000 square meter that they broke out in a shopping center in a Moscow suburb. Emergency service said in the Moscow region, firefighters are putting out a fire the size of 7,000 square a meter. Russia Ministry of Emergency Situation said the fire broke out of the mega Khimki shopping center in the northern suburb of Khimki. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome to the Bharat. The chief executive of the Qatar World Cup 2022 has been condemned by human rights groups for saying death is a natural part of life, whether it's in your sleep. When asked about the migrant worker death at all tournament, earlier it was reported that a Filipino national contracted to fix light in a car park at the Siline Resort, the training site for the Saudi Arabia national team. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said a tax increase will be needed to fund his ambitious expansion of defense spending, but it won't start next year. It will cost an extra 4 trillion a year to bolster defense and related spending, most of which will come from cuts in expenditure, surplus and non-tax revenue, Kishida said at his official residency Thursday. Thriller seems to have carved their own niche in Hindi film industry lately, and Taapsee Pannu reason in the genre continues undisputed. Her latest OTT release, Blur, which also happened to be her first as a producer, is a psychological thriller that is cleverly written, but most importantly, brilliantly shot. India problem in Bangladesh could compound as their bowling attack is likely to bear a depleted look for the two-match test series starting December 14 in Chattogram. Captain Rohit Sharma, Pacers Deepak Chahar and Kuldeep Sen are already out of the third and final ODI on Saturday. While Chahar and Kuldeep are not a part of the test, skippers Rohit's return for the test series is also unlikely. Amid all this, there are reports that senior pro Mohammad Shami and all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja have not recovered from their respective injuries and could miss the two-match test series. Both Shami and Jadeja were a part of the ODI and test squad for this tournament. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.